Welcome back. Our next guest is a legal expert who believes his firm has evolved over the past 7 years, especially when it comes to new technology. But he also says a lot of important things are still just the same. Morning Blend correspondent Andrea Belke is live this morning at the McLario Firm in Menomonee Falls. What's up, Andrea? She joins us to explain what's new and some things that haven't changed there too, right, Andrea?
Yes. Hi, Molly. You know, I'm just doing some light reading here at the McLario Firm in Menomonee Falls, learning some things about law. And, you know, sometimes we need some help when it comes to legal matters, and you want to find someone you can trust. I feel like the McLario Firm is a great place to start. I'm here with Al Spiegel here. How are you doing, Al?
I'm doing great. Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah. So I can't wait to dive into everything. You know, some things change, some things stay the same. Now, you've been around. The McLario Firm has been around.
Not me personally.
Not you, but for 70 years. It was established in 1953.
Yeah, way back in the day in 1953, John McLario hung his shingle up in downtown Menomonee Falls, right around the corner from where we are.
Yeah.
And then he moved around the corner probably a few years later, and we've been here ever since.
I mean, yeah, it's a long time, and you're well established. Now, your motto is your law firm for life.
Right.
So why is that important to your firm?
Yeah, well, it kind of means two things. It means we want to be people's law firm throughout their life, through all the different kind of stages. You know, and since John established this back in the 50s, we get a chance to be the lawyer for kids and grandkids and great-grandkids. So that's really cool for all the different things that come up. And then we also want to be your law firm for all the things life throws at you. So whether it's real estate, or maybe you get a speeding ticket, or whatever's going on in your life. It happens now and then. It's happened to me. So yeah.
Yeah, talk to me a little bit about all the things that you cover here, because I think sometimes people don't realize what they're all covered for.
Right, and it's kind of there aren't many around where they're what's called a general practice firm, where you can go in a firm and get most of the things that you need out of a lawyer at one place. So we have lawyers here that do landlord-tenant kind of law. We have lawyers here that do criminal law and traffic, and we do administration of trusts and estates, and we do real estate transactions. We do personal injuries. So if you slip and fall or you get in a car accident, we can help you with that. And then my focus is estate planning. So wills and trusts and thinking about what your legacy is going to be. So we cover all that and a little bit more, but those are kind of the main areas that we do here.
Yeah, and talking about 70 years, that's a long time for a firm to be around. You're obviously not going through these books as much as we were having fun with it, right?
No, I've read them all, so I don't need to anymore. Yes.
Because you had to do this all in law school.
I did,
you actually had to read these books.
That's right.
But talking about how things have stayed the same and changed, what are some things that have always been the same here?
Sure. Well, the focus has been the same here. You know, we want to be a local firm. John McLario was a Menomonee Falls guy. He was a fixture in the community, and we want that too. So we don't have branch offices. We're not located on the internet. We're right here, Main Street, Menomonee Falls.
Which, by the way, if you haven't been here, it's so cute. I mean, this is my first time downtown here, and it's just adorable.
Yeah, we got a great downtown group that's done some, paintings on the sides of buildings and restored buildings. So it really is great down here. So that's the location's the same, the focus is the same, and our connection. You know, we're a faith-based Christian law firm, and that's been right from the start, from 1953, and that's been something we've been blessed to continue for 70 years, and we want to keep continuing because we want to have our clients have someone that they can really trust and know that we aren't just trying to do the bare minimum for them, but we're holding ourselves to that higher standard, and that's important to people, and you want to feel comfortable because you hire a lawyer, you're trusting them with a lot.
And it can be so intimidating.
Yeah.
I feel like a lot of people probably come to you and they're going through obviously a life change and there's things happening, and you want to have someone that you can trust. And
one of the challenges, but also one of the blessings of my job, is I meet a lot of people on some of the hardest, worst days of their lives. Whether it's a new divorce has happened, or someone has died, or we've gotten a diagnosis, or you got that speeding ticket, or whatever's going on. You're putting a lot of trust in someone. So you want to have someone not just who knows what they're doing, but who actually cares about you and wants to do right by you for their own kind of beliefs.
You're really reminding me that I should have come here for my speeding ticket, but I'm just going to move on with my life. But you also, family is very important here.
Right, absolutely. So we're, the firm was, John McLario started it. His daughters worked here at some point. Joe Helm, who I kind of took over from, he was